Shoo, butterfly, shoo. That is the white cabbage butterfly. Nope, not your friend. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. In today's video, we're harvesting giant red mustard greens.
I tell you almost every night, and everything is true. The feeling
It's getting warmer out and the bugs are biting, so I've got to get my food before the bugs eat it all. Known as the Japanese giant red mustard, it's a fast grower. This leafy green vegetable is prized for both its ornamental beauty and its spicy flavor. We love that. Appearance: large, broad leaves with a vibrant reddish purple color, often with green veining. Leaves are slightly wrinkled or crinkled, adding texture. Can grow to be quite large, reaching up to 18 inches tall. Flavor: has a strong, sharp mustard flavor, often described as peppery or with hints of horseradish. Bugs are biting. The flavor intensifies with heat and as the leaves mature. It can be quite spicy, especially when grown in warmer weather or harvested when older. Now to the really good part. Uses: culinary. Can be eaten raw in salads, stir-fried, steamed, or pickled. Please pardon the background noise. We're taking the outer leaves and we're leaving the center leaves so that the plant continues to grow. Ornamental. Its striking color makes it a visually appealing addition to gardens, borders, and containers. I can definitely see these plants in a border. An edible border. I love it. So we're going to leave this to grow. See? Leave the center to grow. Nutritional. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. So good for us. These are giant mustards. I tend to harvest when the leaves are younger or tender, but it's in the name, giant. So I let them get giant. These mustards are going to seed. Grew a flower stalk. Seed production. I'm going to go ahead and harvest these greens here at the bottom. Beautiful greens. Balting refers to the process where a plant, instead of producing leaves, it flowers and sets seed. This usually is triggered by stress, including high temperatures. So, getting these greens. Just some quick growing information. Mustard greens, they prefer cooler weather. They can be grown in the spring, fall, and even winter if you are in mild climates. They grow best in well-drained soil. They like full sun, although they can tolerate some shade as well. I'm going to grab these while I can before they get eaten up. I do like them young and tender. So that's what I'm going to do. Getting my food. They are super easy to grow, in my opinion. They can be harvested at the baby leaf stage, young and tender, or you can allow them to mature for the larger leaves like you see here today.
Young and tender. She don't play with the plants. Got dirt in her nails. From seed to the skillet, every meal tells tales. Hydro glowing while the weather stay wild. She the garden queen, hood raised earth child. Fresh greens popping and the peppers on deck. Tomatoes so ripe, make the sun say check. Wind down vibes, she pouring it smooth. Talk truth, drop gems, got that grown woman groove. Young and tender, she don't fake that. Grow it from the root, then she plate that. OCD chick better state that.
Yeah, let's get these too. They are, this plant is bolting. Look at that, so pretty. I will be collecting my seeds. More mustards here. Bugs are biting. Tomorrow morning we're gonna have omelets. Yeah, this one got tagged pretty badly. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.